Welcome to the Valentine's Day series, part 3. Take a A4 size chart paper and fold it into half. Place it vertically and fold the upper flap into half. Repeat the same with the other side as well. Mark points at 1 cm each and draw straight lines. Now cut through these vertical lines. Place it vertically. Fold the first strip towards the left and the second one towards the right. Now repeat the same with the remaining strips. Take 2 pieces of different color chart paper. Place the paper in between the strips. You can write any message inside the card. Take rectangular chart paper sheets. Take the biggest chart paper, place it horizontally and fold it into half. Take one size smaller chart paper and stick it vertically on one side of the previous paper. Now keep repeating this step with the remaining papers as well. This will create a maze. Chart paper hearts. Take a piece of heart and fold it into half. Apply some glue and stick another heart over it. Repeat the same with all the hearts. Take a different color chart paper. Stick the heart in between the card. Heart card